Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this simple, sleek, elegant hairstyle. I saw it on Instagram some time back and yeah, I just haven't gotten around to try it on, so I decided to try it in this video. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to first spritz my hair with some water and I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner to it. I have a recipe for this leave-in conditioner here on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below. I found some hairpins in my hair as I was trying to moisturize it. Natural girl problems, hey? So yeah, I just moisturized my hair and then I went ahead and made a part in the front. I sectioned a little bit of my hair in the front, I meant to say. So yeah, I'll deal with that part later. Once I've sectioned it off, I'm just going to twist it up and then yeah, we'll fix the back first and then we'll come back to it. And here I'm just having a look at how long my hair has grown. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this bit and section it away. So now I'm just going to tease the ends of my hair with a comb just to make it fluffier and puffier, and then I'm going to use my fingers to sort of move it to the top of my head because that's where I want my bun to sit. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some gel all around the perimeter of my hair and I'm going to brush it into my hair. I can never get my hair extremely slick, like you know when the YouTubers do the get 4C hair slick and blah blah blah. Like every time I've tried it, my hair just never looks like that. So if you guys have any tips around how I can get my hair to look really slick, I would like to give it a try. Anyway, so yeah, here I'm just brushing my hair and I'm brushing it into the direction where I want my bun to sit as well. So yeah. Once that's done, I'm just going to use my stocking leg to tie it up into a high puff. This stocking leg is so good if you have natural hair, especially if your hair is as thick as mine. You know, these hair ties just doesn't work for us. So these stocking legs are really good. They don't break and they're stretchy, and yeah, you can use them however you want. So yeah, basically I moved all my hair to the top of my head and I just tied my stocking around it. And now I'm just using my fingers to pull my hair out. Now I'm going to go ahead and undo the twist, and then I'm going to divide the front section into 2 equal parts. And then I'm going to use a mini rubber band to secure both sides. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and attach extensions to my hair and braid it in together. This was a struggle for me. I've never actually tried to do this kind of braid, so it took a while for me to figure it out, but eventually I got there. So this style will be even easier for you if you already know how to do, braids. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair down, and I'm going to do the same on the other side.
Solo 7.
Once the braids are in, I'm going to cut the ends of the hair just to make it look a little more neater. I do have these beads that I'm going to put at the ends of my hair So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and done that, and the style is nearly done. The final part of the style is I'm going to do some chunky twists with the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and pin it away. You can leave it in a puff if you want to, but I wanted my ends tucked away because then the style looks a little more elegant, and it was a hot day as well, so if I went out with my hair like this, it's going to shrink up anyway, so it was just better for me to twist it up and make sure my ends were protected, but at the same time my hair looks sleek and elegant. So yeah, I'm just go ahead and pin it however you want it. Try and make the twist as loose as possible because you don't want your bun to end up really small, unless of course that's the look you're going for. Let me know if you guys love these hair tutorials in comparison to the how-to videos around like how to make this and how to make that. Let me know what you prefer so I know what videos to make. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I've gone ahead and done my makeup. I was heading out to a wedding on this day actually, so my face was obviously very big. But yeah, I really like the hairstyle, so cute. I got so many compliments when I went out to the wedding, and yeah, overall I really liked it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a friend who would like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I guess I'll see you in my next one. Take care guys. Bye.